Today we are going to learn correction of the sentences. First one, he went to work despite of his illness. Here, despite is the preposition. It doesn't take off after it. Despite అనేది preposition. దీనికి తర్వాత ఆఫ్ రాయకూడదు. ఓకేనా? Raju, who he is my best friend, is a writer. Here, the relative pronoun acts as the subject or object of the relative clause. It replaces words like he, him, they, them, etc. It is therefore wrong to repeat the pronoun in the relative clause. So we should remove he. Here, he is referring to who only, that is Raju. Okay, so we should remove he here. No matter what that I do, I cannot make her happy. In this we should remove that. Okay, she is busy at the work and won't be home before 10:30. Okay, here the correct expression is at work, so we should remove the between at and work. Okay, answer is she is busy at the work and I have decided to quit my job a week ago. Here we don't use the present perfect tense with past time expressions like ago, yesterday, etc. So we must remove have here. Okay, answer, I decided to quit my job a week ago. You should complain of if you are not happy with the service you receive. Here the preposition of is not required here. Okay, the preposition of is not required here, so we must remove of, and so the answer is you should complain if you are not happy with the service you receive. Okay, you had better not to wake him up when get home. Here had better is followed by an infinitive with to, so we should remove to. You had better not wake him up when get home. Okay, you should tell to me exactly what happened there. Here there is no preposition between tell and its object, so we should remove to. Okay, answer is you should tell me exactly what happened there. Okay, he is clever but he lacks of experience. Here the verb lock is followed by direct object without preposition. Okay, so we should remove of. Answer is he is clever but he lacks experience. She does not resemble to either of her parents. Here resemble is followed by direct object without preposition. Okay, so we should remove to here. Answer is she does not resemble either of her parents. I don't speak of either French or German. Here also speak is followed by direct object without preposition, so we should remove of. So the answer is I don't speak either French or German. Okay.